Everyone, and welcome to yet another episode of AI Climbing with Sheikh. I hope you are enjoying your journey. And the key concept for me, putting an effort over the weekends on this channel, is to take the broader community along and share as I learn, and that's pretty much the whole motive. And then make it more interesting for the people to really learn and adopt this technology. In today's session, I will be touching a bit how using a very simple of your perhaps a PC or a MacBook you can be part of it. So I really want to encourage the use of tools like PodMan Desktop. That's pretty much a open source tool, but then naturally it has a lot of this Red Hat and the Linux stuff integrated into it. You no need to install a lot of add-ons for Kubernetes or containers. It can actually link and show you almost everything, whether it is OpenShift and RKE or others. So highly encourage, right? This is pretty much a very straightforward thing. You go to the URL and download whichever you want. With Mac, I am using Mac. Perhaps you have a Windows, and once you have done it, actually you come over here and then you go into the extensions, and as you can see over here I have put lot of this. And perhaps where I will be focusing more is more on the AI, which is PodMan AI Lab extension. Once you will do it, actually it gives you lot of those stuff. And what next you have to do over here, right? Like if you're seeing over here, there is a lot of apps and models and services. So the first step what you have to really do, if you go over here, anyways, this is just port settings. If you are running something else, keep it at default. From the catalog you have to download the model. So I have downloaded three. Instruct Lab, which is more like the IBM view of the Granite models, and I have downloaded both Granite 3.1, which is a 8 billion model, a 7 billion one, and a Mistral one, right? And I am still trying with Facebook ResNet APIs for image classification. After you have done it, the next step is really to deploy a service. Again, I have done pretty much for each of the catalog I have put it. But if you see over here, you can select your runtime. I have just one, which is the default one. And then you can select the models, and then pretty much you can declare and define it. And then if you can see, after this you have a playground. Again, I am just using two. Still I have can create more, but you see, you can write whatever you want, how you will play, and then select the model. So the sequence is from catalog. You really need to first build the model service, because the model service, you see, this is actually calling or linking it with the model service. So without the model service or a model, it will not work. And that's pretty much all. Once you have this, then you can go to the recipes. And if you see the catalog, I have tried each of three, and I will give you a short demo on each of that. But in this session is more about to let you understand the different capabilities and how this works. So you can see, if I go to the chat bot, and once it is done, which it is showing, I can go to the more, and then in the running there is a landing page. And this landing page takes me to the Streamlet app, where I am going to talk to it and try to understand. I hope that is pretty much all I wanted to touch, to get you a feel at how this type of tools. You can make it simple and easy. Again, I am deploying the lab architecture, and then how you can do it locally, and perhaps will not be using some corporate or license view, but perhaps build a more programming view of it. I will give you a short Python or a Java Quarkus, and some machine learning codes, perhaps, which will help you to map this view. But that is pretty much all I wanted to share, and I hope you will find it interesting and try this tool and learn this journey of NLP, machine learning, and AI. I hope over time we will uncover the mystery wrapper around AI, and instead of making it more like a mystery or something which is gonna take our jobs and impact us, perhaps it can be a friend and we can all learn and navigate it together. If you are enjoying it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and talk to you soon with another episode of AI Climbing with Sheikh. Thank you very much for today.